Hello my friends, Runar again. Another video of the HDP50 with a CIA micro stock. I want to try it in the short version, and I want to put that extender, not extender, but the front grip part looking thingy, speed loader looking thingy on it. Just to see how that goes. Looking like so. You just slide it over the pistol itself onto that front rail. Should be just a matter of pushing it down. There. All the way in. As you can see, it has a wide gap in the pistol grip here. So it is not the most comfortable thing to hold. But in case you can use it. I will try it for this video, then I will remove it, I think. So looking kind of cool with that birdcage flash hider thing on the front there. But this thing makes a heck of a crack, especially when I have the shorter barrel. So I will put on the silencer moderator. That I got from Home Defense 24 a long time ago. So there is on the bottom. Big nice fat silencer. Yes. Let me extend the stock. Like so. Maybe a bit further out also. Quite cool looking. So this piece here acts as a hopper. You put in the bolts, ammo, and then shaky while you have the magazine forward. Let me try it here. I only load up only 6. Like so. It takes a whole bunch of bolts. There. Load it up. And this lid cover thing goes in the top here. Like so. Yes, now I just need to put in a CO2 canister. Then we can try it. I loaded up 12.5mm 8 gram steel balls. So let's see how it goes. Temperature is about 21 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, I think it is. So it really looks the business. Let's see if it holds air. Yes. Gas it up. Eight gram steel balls. 250. And as you could hear, the sound was not very loud. I have modified the silencer. .251. Now it is more of a plopping type sound and not big bang. .266. Let's see if I can use my normal trigger finger. .236. .235. And it should be one more. What's the velocity? 232. Let me just shoot out the remaining gas. Yeah. So yeah, looks great, works great. A bit uncomfortable. The grip is very wide this way, but it can be used. Gas pressure has built up again. There. Draining out the remaining CO2 gas. It has extra rails here. I have a flashlight, but it will just slide on the side here. Like so. Yeah. Very cool. Make sure to check out t4especials.com and homedefense24.com if you want to buy tuning products, etc. I've been messaged by some people that say they no longer can buy stuff from Home Defense 24 because it is stopped at Toll Customs here in Norway. I don't know. The things I got several years back. So what I have is already several years old. But if you can get hold of the stuff, you can buy something like this. Make it look something like this. Silencer does work, as you can hear. More of a plopping sound, actually. Yes. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for it.